The world's largest ecosystem, covering over 70% of our planet, is on the brink of collapse. This ecosystem, the ocean, is the backbone of our planet's life support system. It produces half of the oxygen we breathe, absorbs a third of the carbon dioxide we emit, and provides a home for an estimated 80% of all known species. Yet, despite its importance, the ocean is facing unprecedented threats from human activities. From plastic pollution to overfishing, the consequences of our actions are devastating, and the clock is ticking. But there is hope, and it starts with understanding the complex relationships between marine life and the ocean's ecosystem. Imagine the ocean as a delicate balance of interconnected components, where the actions of one species can have far-reaching consequences for others. Take, for example, the coral reefs, which provide a habitat for over 25% of all marine species. These reefs are like underwater cities, teeming with life, but they are also incredibly fragile and vulnerable to changes in water temperature and chemistry. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that coral reefs can actually help mitigate the effects of climate change? They do this by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen, which can help offset the impact of greenhouse gas emissions. However, this phenomenon occurs when the reefs are healthy and intact, which is becoming increasingly rare due to human activities. In fact, scientists estimate that up to 70% of the world's coral reefs are at risk of collapse due to climate change, overfishing, and pollution. And then something unexpected happened. Researchers discovered that certain species of coral can actually adapt to rising water temperatures by changing their composition. This process, called thermal adaptation, allows the coral to survive in conditions that would be lethal to other species. But how does this work? And what does it mean for the future of our oceans? Let's dive deeper into the world of marine life and explore the complex relationships between species and their environments. For centuries, scientists have studied the ocean's ecosystem, trying to understand the intricate web of relationships between species. One of the key findings is that every species plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Take, for example, the sea turtles, which are responsible for maintaining the health of seagrass beds by controlling the spread of algae. However, the decline of sea turtle populations has had a ripple effect throughout the entire ecosystem, leading to the collapse of seagrass beds and the loss of biodiversity. And it's not just the big players that matter. Even the smallest organisms, like plankton, play a vital role in the ocean's ecosystem. Plankton are the base of the ocean's food web, providing a source of nutrition for everything from fish to whales. But did you know that plankton are also responsible for producing up to 70% of the ocean's oxygen? It's a remarkable example of how even the smallest creatures can have a profound impact on the health of our planet. The ocean's ecosystem is a complex and delicate balance of interconnected components, where every species plays a vital role. From the tiny plankton to the massive blue whales, every species is connected and interdependent. And yet, despite this intricate web of relationships, the ocean's ecosystem is facing unprecedented threats from human activities. From plastic pollution to overfishing, the consequences of our actions are devastating, and the clock is ticking. But there is hope, and it starts with understanding the complex relationships between marine life and the ocean's ecosystem.
By working together, we can mitigate the effects of climate change, reduce pollution, and protect the ocean's ecosystem for future generations.
So what can you do to make a difference? Start by reducing your use of single-use plastics, supporting organizations that work to protect marine habitats, and spreading awareness about the importance of ocean conservation. Action we can count, and together it can make a difference. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want more mind-blowing facts about the ocean's ecosystem? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.